Patrick begs for the iPad. You like the iPad, Buds? Oh, he wants it. It's not even on yet and he wants it.
Let's have a look at this, shall we?
His favourite bird.
Oh.
Stop the jogger for a moment.
Patrick's favourite bird video. He's so intent on it. Oh, he's going to try and get it from the side now. Well, you made it small, Buds. Get ready, he's going to get away. Oh, the bird flies off at the end. And now he's like, do it again. The way he tilts his head.
Stop the jogger for a moment.
It flies off at the end and he always gets surprised. Even though he knows it's coming. We've seen him pounce for it at the end when he knows it's coming and he thinks it's going to get away. It's a different bird.
It is different.
It's not his favourite bird. It doesn't move enough. He just watches that one.
Just to hold his attention. Not as much fun though. To have the preening one.
Preening bird moves more. He recognizes it too.
Stop the jogger for a moment.
He leaps
It's a good boy. Well, he knows he's going to leave at the end. And he tries to stop it from leaving.
No. No. Pour off. Pour off.
It's like, what? For those of you watching, this is just more of the same. If you're bored with cats, turn it off now. 5 minutes of Patrick watching birds.
Stop the jogger for a moment.
Oh, he's accessed Facebook or something.
Well, that would be all our notifications. Is there Buds?
Sometimes he mutes it too. We've created a monster. Patrick watches every glowing screen now, including Blackberries and telephones and iTouches and computer screens. He keeps expecting birds to pop up on them now.